Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's again Irene and I'm back with another hairstyle video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys different short bobs. Okay, different. You could come in cornrows, you could come in one, you could just know that the length is gonna be short. Okay, for those people that don't like to wear or carry long hair because they feel like it makes them it does heat to them. English that they just either don't like it or they're not comfortable with it. They prefer short hairstyles. Okay, so this is it. I am here for you guys. So whatever hairstyle idea that you want or you think in your head, just write it in the comment section and I'll get it for you. Okay, so but today's own is just short, whether it comes in Ghana weaving or chuku or bako or in cornrows or bako or just however way it chooses to come, but just know that it's gonna be short. So if you wish to, you can put your beads. If you don't, you can still leave it like that. However way, it's beautiful. And another thing is that you can use any color attachment for your choice. If you want to use golden, if you want to use 33 color 33, if you want to use red, if you want to use black, whatever color you have, that is your choice. Just use it and I bet you're going to look so beautiful. You're going to look so flawless, so so everything good. Anyway, please make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll see you guys later.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a